Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. One of the things we get asked is, can State Farm Insurance Company refuse to pay a car accident claim? And the answer to that is yes. Yes, they can. Now, there are legitimate reasons why an insurance company like State Farm can avoid paying a claim. And the first of which being, their insured wasn't at fault. Their insured doesn't cause the accident. They have a good faith basis to assume that. Maybe the person making the claim, maybe they got a ticket in the accident. Another basis for them denying the claim is maybe the person wasn't hurt, or there aren't records to support that they're hurt, and they can deny the claim and they can basically say, well, look, there might have been some harm, but there was no injury here, and we're going to deny the claim on those grounds because you need both liability and some sort of damages. And those are the honest reasons, but this is State Farm, and if you've watched this channel, you know I call them Snake Farm, because they will deny legitimate claims all the time to discourage people from trying to get money from them, to discourage people who they should be legally paying money to, who have been injured by their insureds. They will just deny claims and hope that people go away. Now, they shouldn't be able to do that by law, but they'll find or make up some reason, not in good faith, to try to deny the claim, or they'll accept the claim, but they'll say, they'll effectively deny it. They'll say, well, our client was at fault. You submitted $5,000 in medical bills, but we only think that $100 is necessary, so we're going to pay you $150 to settle your claim. They do that, and I'm going to call that a denial because that's part and parcel of what Snake Farm likes to do. So yeah, they can deny claims. They've got legitimate, good faith reasons, and they've got some bad, trash, garbage, typical Snake Farm reasons. If you've been injured by somebody who has State Farm, please don't hesitate to give me a call, 877-CTF-WINS. We've got a lot of experience dealing with State Farm and their dirty tricks, and we don't stand for it.